Welcome to our Ultimate Minecraft Survival Guide. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, these tips will help you thrive in the endless world of Minecraft. First, always prioritize building a strong base. Your shelter is your lifeline. Protect it with fences, traps, and redstone mechanisms next. Learn to farm efficiently. Wheat, carrots, and potatoes are your daily bread. Grow them near your base with a well-planned farm layout. Don't forget to collect resources like iron, gold, and diamonds. Use them to craft better tools and armor. And always bring a pickaxe when exploring. Stay hydrated and hungry. Drink water and eat food regularly. Hunger and thirst can be deadly in Minecraft's harsh environments. Equip yourself with a full set of armor. Iron or diamond armor will keep you alive longer, especially when facing mobs or raiders. Learn to build redstone circuits. They're not just for doors. Use them to automate your farm, mine, or even create traps. Join a server community. It's not just fun, it's survival. Servers with active players offer support, quests, and shared resources. Check out the latest trending topics, from Redstone Dungeons to Minecraft Dungeons crossover events. Stay updated with the community. Don't ignore the Nether. It's full of powerful resources and enemies. Use a Nether portal wisely. And always bring a netherite pickaxe. Use the Ender Dragon as your ultimate goal. Defeating it unlocks the end dimension and a new level of adventure. Popular servers like Skyblock, Survival Craft, and RPG World are buzzing with activity. Join one today and become part of the Minecraft community. Always back up your world. Or better yet, use cloud saves or external storage. A single crash can erase your progress. Use mods and plugins wisely. They can enhance your experience, but some can break your game. Always read reviews before installing. Watch YouTube tutorials and Discord communities. They're your best allies. Many players share secrets that make survival easier. Be patient. Minecraft is a world of discovery. Every block, every mob, every item has a purpose. Explore slowly and enjoy the journey. Keep your inventory organized. Use chests, hotbar slots, and custom enchantments to keep your gear and food ready for any situation. Use creative mode to design your dream world. But always save your progress. Or better yet, use it to build your base in survival mode. Stay updated with the latest Minecraft updates. New blocks, mobs, and features are constantly being added. Always check the official website. Minecraft is more than a game. It's a community. Share your creations. Join servers. And help others survive. Together, we build the future of Minecraft.